Yo, my charge people, this is crazy. This is so random. And being a petrol head, like, let's go inside quickly. Let's show you, like, what this is about. It's insane, the collection here. No way, they've got one started. What? These here are all for sale, yo. This is a rare collection of vehicles. I want to find out what started up here. Let's go. Jeez. Oh, that's that beautiful BMW. It is. Sorry, mate. Thank you. Oh my God, that sounds fabulous. Oh, oh my God, look at the colour on it.
With a glass roof.
I don't know how long these have been sat here, but that sounds amazing. Like, proper M Sport as well. Let's show you the back. It's got a big tin can on it, yo. Jeez. You get a stainless manifold with it, manual. That sounds amazing.
It's a thing, man. It can be done. Water, but it's just what lies underneath.
How cool is that? Like, this is an auction and we actually get to hear it running as well. Damn! Right, let's show you this other one. You can see the excitement on my face. Damn! Yo, that sounds too good.
Who's gone upstairs? Can you come down, please? Dan, come bring these people down.
What's my man doing? That's a violation.
Can you come down, please?
That is a violation, yo. My man's trusting the public to come in here, check out his collection, and man's are violating him like that. That is wrong, yo. But yeah, here's the other sharp nose. Jeez. This one's auto, 635 CSI. All original, look at that. How much has it got on the clock? Only 107. Jeez. Proper old school MG, yo. Still got all these SL 2002 and they're all unmolested. Jeez. This is the first time coming to an open auction like this and seeing all these barn finds, and you know how we do. I love finding my barn finds and getting them running and everything. Let's go to this Beamer, man. That's a rare color as well.
Yeah.
What's the color on this?
Some.
It's like not Boston green, is it?
No, it's not. No.
The owner said it drifts as well, yo. The owner is actually here today with all his cars. What a magnificent opportunity. Right, the hood's open. Let's show you underneath the hood. Thank you, mate. Oh,
Yeah,
As long as clear as possible, get the gases in there.
yeah.
So that's where you're talking from like 130.
is this a 3.5 as well?
3.5.
Talking about metallic green saloon in.
Everything's correct.
All original as well.
The wheels are not.
No weight.
Yeah,
And you think, well, what the fuck?
I know, I can imagine.
And it's,
So I'm just going to close this.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm ready to.
thank you.
I'll show you one other picture.
Okay.
Don't call me crazy. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, this way, yeah.
I'd love to own one of those as well. Not look at that. That's a good base. And you lot know, if you know your campers, these normally rot. That don't look too bad. And they all seem to have the engines in. This is so cool, yo. Like, let's show you this other one, yeah? Come. It's the kind of place we need. There it is. Wrong way. Look at this clean Defender. That's what we want to show ya. Oh my. Original 300 ZX turbo. Even this is for sale. Needs a bit of work on the arches and stuff. But look at that. Got 123 on the clock. Original steering wheel, original seats. They're actually pretty good nick. Manual as well. Original stereo. Damn. This is so cool. $19.89. Jeez. Pop-ups. Wow. So cool. Right, let's go out to the back. Got one more to show you. Gurge is exiting the building. But yeah, this is all for sale. Maybe even tools, everything. I'm sure he's got some cool tools here what I could use. I just need a workshop, yo. Right. Come out back here. Oh my god. That's a 240, yo. Jeez. Look how wide that is, man. But very rusty too. Someone spent some time, money and effort on that, yo. Jeez. It's manual as well. Jeez. But yeah, this was a spontaneous thing, hence the reason why the camera's all shaky. I'm holding it, but yeah, just had to share with you all this. Like, this just charged me up, yo. Stay charged. All these. This Defender looks clean. Let's quickly try go underneath. Look at that. That's not actually bad at all. Cheers, man. Yo, that was so cool. Yeah, just had to share it with you all. These magnificent motors. Like always, truly grateful for you all tuning in. Make sure you stay charged, hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment, and we'll get more content up for you. Yeah, man. Jeez.